Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Onnit Alpha Brain review. So, Alpha Brain is a nootropic supplement made by Onnit, designed to support memory, focus, and mental processing speed. Now, the formula is caffeine-free and vegetarian, built around what Onnit calls its Onnit Focus Blend and Onnit Flow Blend. Now, listed ingredients include Alpha GPC, a choline compound, Bacopa Monieri extract, Huperzia serrata, standardized to Huperzin A, cat's claw extract, oat straw extract, L-theanine, L-tyrosine, vitamin B6, along with maltodextrin and rice hull concentrate as fillers in a vegetarian capsule. Now, the brand describes the formula as targeting two things: encouraging alpha brainwave activity and supporting acetylcholine, now a new neurotransmitter involved in memory and cognition. Now, there's also a more advanced Apple Brain Black Label version with additional ingredients like cognizin, cytolin, cycoline here, lion's mane, and serenade, and for more intensive support. And an instant powder version offering the same base formula in a drink mix format. Now, how do you exactly start using this? Now, a standard direction is to capsule daily, preferably with a light meal and not exceeding one serving, which is two capsules within a 24-hour period. Now, for anyone new to the product, Onnit recommends starting with a half serving, so one capsule on a low stakes day without major deadlines to see how the body responds before working up to the full two capsule serving if well tolerated. Now, it's intended for adults 18 and over, and it's not to be used by anyone pregnant or nursing. Anyone with medical conditions or taking medications is directed to consult a doctor first. Now, as for the pricing here, well, currently, if you're going to visit their official website, currently, if you're going to buy a supply here, so a 90 count supply here, or 45 day supply, which 90 counts, which is two capsules a day, you can get this for about $67.96 if you subscribe to a plan here inside their website. Now, you can also buy this or you could use the one-time purchase option for them, which is like $79.95 for this. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. If you found this video, please hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.